Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden, and sorry about the last few videos, but apparently all the craziness going on with our current virus status, my bad knee, my bad shoulder since I got hit by a truck, and what else? The fact that I was playing around with the little knob on his headset, I inadvertently shut off the sound, so get out of the way, Marty. So rather than go back, I'll redo that Chinese money tree and a few other plants later on, but I'll just get variety in the meantime. What I was doing now is we're looking at seedlings for my Bismarckia palm tree. I got these seeds from my son, I think about a couple of months ago. So I threw them in the ground and just left them in, and I said, okay, let me just take a bunch of them and cluster them on top of this large pot that I have here. So as you can see, right in the middle is one that actually survived. And what I did was I said, okay, it's in the big pot, but it's a little lower in the pot, so let me just fill up a large pot with more soil and repot it and put it into the pot, and let's see what it looks like. So what I did was, like I say, we're in the Dougherty Gardens, and there's always something growing in unusual places. So what I did was I threw the pot on top of, you can see all the dirt left over, that's where I take my picture from, over there, and I started pulling with little scoops the dirt out, because I didn't want to disturb this too much, because it was the only one that survived, and I just wanted to make sure it'll stay. And like I said, I repotted it, took half of the soil, and I took some more of the soil. I'll go back and do a soil mixture. I just have to go through, and I'm just getting a little better walking around on my bad knee. But I just wanted to do it. I saved some of the soil, and I will take all my soil goodies here and do a better soil presentation. I'll show you how I go from A to Z. And pretty much, as you can tell from the garden, a lot of these things survive on my little soil composition. So just getting back to my Bismarckia palm. So this one, for some reason, struck my eye, and I said, let me just repot it. And I threw the pot sideways on this little thing, and I used my little scooper to pull the dirt out. As I was pulling the dirt out, I had to disturb the pot a little bit in order to get the dirt loosened from the base of the palm. And while I was doing that, a bunch of other seedlings were already germinating out. They're not Bismarckia, but as I was pulling them out, I noticed that there was a few. Usually, when a Bismarckia has a nice little healthy seed, and as it hits the bottom of the pot, if it's in the pot, it's going to start just circling around the bottom of the pot rather than going into the ground. So as I was doing, I was going to pull it out, but for some reason it was still strong. I was, let me just pull out more dirt, taking it out by the scoop, and I just kept hammering it out. And this, so you can see all the dirt that's there. And I would put it into my little pot and just grab some dirt, and I says, okay. And I finally was able to free up the one, because I was concentrating. I see green. I see that's a seedling. But what happened when, as the dirt loosened up, I was able to see there was 1, 2, and 3 more seedlings in there. Now, all 3, or actually all 4 of them, had the same amount of dirt. Not dirt, God, wake up. I had the same amount of root system as the other ones had. It goes down and it went into a circle format. So I says, oh, I had 3 other ones that survived. Now, I'm not sure of the survival rate of these 3. I know that this one is green, and I got a good chance of this thing's going to survive. But these other 3, one looked like it browned out the top. The other one was a little, not as strong, but all 3 of them had a strong base root. So what I did was I repotted all 3, put them into singular pots, and I'll label them all. This, like I say, this is number 42, the Bismarckia palm tree. So I know I got 1 survival, and I got 3 over here, potential, and a pot full of other things. They're not Bismarckia, they're other little seeds. It could be anywhere from the Queen palm tree, not Queen, Cuban Royal, and it's hard. I'm guessing now, so I'm not going to guess really thing. So what I'm doing is just letting you look, and we will check these out over time and keep you present. But let me just take you back to here so you can see what this mama looks like from back here. And there she is, proud mama. I have yet to get a seed brack on it. And as with them, there's my bottle palm trees. It's getting producing seedlings. So it's right in the middle and back of that tall tree is my Cuban Royal, and this year is the first year I got Cuban Royal palm seeds. And there's those little babies down there, Cuban Royals, Washingtonian, clustering palm trees, and that's a little baby clustering palm tree down there, which I have to see. And here is all my alamander, the purple alamander. There's literally about 1,000 seeds in there. And there's the mature alamander seedlings, and a few other goodies that are growing down here. That's it, and hopefully this one works. Yeah, tall coconut germinating. There's my, I call them Mickey Mouse cactus, because every time you get a new shoot, the two ears appear at the top. So that's it. This is Marty. If you have any garden questions, I hope I can answer them. If anybody's looking for something, I'm always all ears to see if possible maybe I could ship you something. But we're all here enjoying the COVID breakout, and I love talking to people that have no idea what the hell's going on. I said, I just hope we all survive. I can't go shopping because I'm in the age group that has 2 or 3 other conditions, and I don't want to take a chance. It's bad enough I have to live with the post office and everything else stopping by. But other than that, here is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Please like the video so I can brag to my little grandkids. And please subscribe to the Martin Dougherty channel. Eventually, little by little, going through all the plants that are growing in the garden. It's going to take me a little time. Now I'm hoping that the sound works. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.